Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is going to be a Zara try on haul. Hope you're having a lovely week. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see more of my videos. Follow me on Instagram. My name is Payda101 and let's get straight into this video. So the first item that I got from Zara is probably my most favorite item so far for this year. It's this red and white tweed jacket. How stunning is that? Sorry, blazer. Really beautiful. If you can see, the buttons are like gemstones. They're really beautiful. I like the design of it. There's a lot of attention to detail. If you can see, it's like, I don't know, just really nice and sparkly. But I really love the colour of this blazer. Very Chanel-esque, very like Chanel vibes. As I said, I love the buttons. You've got the hint of gold, but it's very small gold thread. But the more colours of focus are the white, the red and the black. And they're just really lovely colour combination. The colour that pops out most is white. I feel like this would be really nice like with blue jeans and then like a nice plain white shirt or a polo or t-shirt to give you that smart casual look. I got this in a size extra small. A bit of an expensive item. It's $79.99, but if you take care of this item, it will last you a long time. The only issue with tweed is that sometimes it can pull, like if you get caught and stuff, it can like start like unthreading stuff and it gets really messy. And I would personally wash this by itself or hand wash like in the bathtub or something. It's got padding on the shoulders. And then we've got pockets on the side, but you have to just go into that stitching. But this is gorgeous, absolutely stunning. As I say, those buttons, the attention to detail is so beautiful, really cute. Okay, so here is that beautiful red and white blazer on. The structure of it is amazing, like it fits so well. The padding feels nice and comfortable, fits well around my waist, but I still feel really comfortable and I'm able to move around. Length of sleeves is good, material is great, but as I say, the tweed is very delicate. You have to be very careful not to catch or anything because it can ruin the whole item. But I love the colours of it. I will definitely wear it really casual with some basic blue denim jeans, maybe even some trainers because I'm really that casual. But I love that look of, you know, sophisticated and casual, like dressed up casual. But this is a beautiful piece. Love the button detail. Really just in love with this. Next up, I'm very kind of in that Chanel vibe still. I got this cardigan. I feel like I've got this before, but I got the black and white version. So I got the cream and black version this time. $29.99. As you can see, very Chanel-esque. I would wear it with a nice black mini skirt to kind of give it a bit more youthful vibe because it can have a bit more of an older appearance, but there's certain ways to dress things to kind of give them more youthful vibe. I think a really cute mini skirt would be so lovely, and then some nice black ankle boots. It's got those like pearls as buttons all the way down. Two pockets in the front. Unfortunately, the pockets are completely fake. Like if you look at the back, there's nothing there. It's just stitching, so it's just for design. That's a bit unfortunate, but you can always wear a coat over it because it's not like a proper, it's a top, so it's not, sorry, a cardigan, so it's not really super thick. This material is a good material for spring. It's not going to keep you warm in winter time, but you know when it's spring and it's like it's not quite hot enough to like wear vests and crop tops. This isn't just enough to cover up your whole body and just keep you appropriately warm. But some people would wear vests underneath this. I personally wouldn't. I would just wear it like this, but it's always up to you. Long sleeved. I got this in a size small, but yeah, cute, lovely, very Chanel-esque, nice with a nice little mini skirt. Here is that cardigan, very Chanel-esque cardigan on. I was trying to say another word, but I just realized it's a cardigan. I don't know how I feel about this. I think it's probably a little bit too mature for me, but I am going to try and style it with the skirt and then have a think about it. I'm not 100% feeling it, but it's really great quality material. It feels great on, And I feel really comfortable as well, which is always super important. But yeah, I really love the pearl detail in the front. Really, really pretty. Next up, I've been loving the black and white. I really love black and white, my staple colours. I got this kind of cutout top. So it's got cutout on the shoulders, on each side, and then you've got it on the chest as well. It goes on both sides. So you've got the white at the top and then the black. Very different. I've never seen this kind of style before. Zara, I know they're a bit of like copycats because they copy like designers, but if you compare them to other like high street fashion brands, they are very different. This is in a size small and it's $19.99. Just a really cute, basic but stylish top. Wear it with some jeans, some black ones, or you can dress it up with like a little mini. But I just love the contrast. I think it's really, really nice. Okay, so here is that cutout top on. Love it, love it, love it. It is a bit on the short side, so I think you have to wear high-waisted jeans or a nice high skirt. Sorry, losing my voice there. But I love the cutout. Really, really nice. It's not overexposing anything. I just love the design of it. I think it's a really cute little top. Really fashionable. Fashionable. Very fashionable. Very cute. Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Next up, I got this lovely masculine jacket in the colour grey. I don't think I have any grey jackets, so I thought this would be quite nice because I love the colour grey. It's actually my bedroom like wall colour. And it's, you know, it's a really nice cool colour that works with a lot of other colours as well. I got this in size extra small, more on the expensive side because it costs $79.99. Material is, don't know how to explain it. Like, it's not super soft. It does have like a little bit of an itchy vibe to it when you put it against the skin, but you're not going to be putting it against the skin, you're going to be wearing it, so you're not going to feel the itchiness. But you know, it does feel like a decent quality material. I wouldn't say it's like super amazing, but it does seem like a decent quality. As always, take care of this. It will last you a long time. Zara products are generally made quite well, so I don't generally have any issues with any of the stuff that I bought from Zara. Slight padding on the shoulders, super long jacket, and we've got the pockets that you have to go into the stitching, and then two lovely belts. But I have an outfit I could potentially wear in springtime. So I would wear this cute little crop top from Zara. It's got like a, I don't know, how do you explain those things that go like that? And then you have like the exposing back crop top. Got this in size small, $15.99. Just a good stretchy material. Thick enough that you're not going to be seeing my nipples if I decide not to wear a bra. But I would match that with this grey skirt. Sorry, I just recently wore it, so that's why the zip was undone. So the grey skirt from Rival Closet with that crop top and then that grey masculine jacket, sorry. I think that would look like a really cute outfit, and you know what, I feel like I would get a lot of compliments as well. Maybe some thigh-high boots, since I just love wearing my thigh-high boots. So here is that crop top. It's nice, it's quite comfy, very different and quirky, you know, not your average crop top. I like the skirt because, as I say, I don't like crop tops because I don't want to show off my belly. But because the skirt, I can wear it kind of high-waisted and just tuck it underneath, so no one will have to see my belly. I can cover up my my burrito belly, especially with this like design of the skirt. I'll step back so you can see the whole look. It's really cute. I love this skirt. Ah, it's everything. And then I will turn around and show you the back of that. But don't forget, I also got that grey masculine blazer, jacket. So potentially could be a look. Let's fix it up. So this is what the jacket looks like if you have this as a look. I'm not sure if this actually works together. Depends on you really. But if we just want to have a look at the jacket, it's nice, really nice and comfy. It's basically just say exactly what it says. It's basically what it says on the tin. It's just a nice masculine jacket. You've got the look of it, very chic, Very simple, very workwear, perfect for work, to be honest. If you work in an office or wherever you work, this is just perfect for work. A nice, comfortable, everyday jacket that, you know, look after it well and it will last a long time. I wanted to get this, it looked like a jumper, but a jumper dress. I don't know how I feel about this. It looked good on the model, and I thought if I tried it on, it would probably look nice as well, but I don't know. When I took it out of the box, I was like, oh, what is that frumpy piece? But it's got these 3/4 sleeves. It's massive. It just looks massive. And then you've got like the turtleneck. Look how mad that is. Like, it's huge. I got this in a size small, and it was only $12.99, so it's a super cheap item. It would look nice with a belt. It would. I have to find my belts. Where did I put those things? See, I lose belts so easily. A nice big chunky belt. Yeah, ankle boots. There you go. And then some like necklaces. Oh, I need to buy necklaces. I lose necklaces so easy. That's why I never like show them, because earrings, necklaces, belts, I always lose those things. So here's that black sweater dress. Super sorry, I couldn't find my belts. Well, I have a drawer where my belts are right now, but I got the drawers stuck. Like, there's something blocking it, so I can't open the drawer that holds my belts and other important stuff in there. So sorry that I wasn't able to put a belt to style it. Hope you can appreciate my problem. But this is really comfortable. I would probably end up wearing this around the house. I probably wouldn't end up wearing it outdoors. Probably be like something that I just wear in the house, just lounge around in. You know, 'cause sometimes I don't want to wear like leggings or trousers. I want to just have my legs to be free and able just to roam around and just, you know, breathe some air. But yeah, this is really nice, super comfortable, and for the price, great quality. Okay guys, that's the end of my Zara try on haul. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see more of me. And I hope to see you in the next video. You can check out my Zara playlist. I'm gonna maybe potentially put it here. If not, you can just check my channel and look at my playlist, and then you can see all my Zara videos. Hope they're helpful, because I know a lot of people struggle shopping online on Zara, so I hope that it helps you, like having someone like try out the clothes and you can see them, and it's a lot of fun. Okay then, bye.